Hi, my name's Olivia and my voice is really weak, but I wanted to make a quick video. I don't even know what it's going to be about, but I'm at a camp that I go to every year, and the camp is usually hard for me because I deal with a lot of anxiety, and it started about a few years ago about leaving home, but it really has developed into just this kind of fear and panic, and it's not rational. And so I've had to work through that, and God has taught me so much through that, and I just 2 years ago I was just so different, and seeing how much I've changed, really just stepping out of my comfort zone, God has done so much through that because I haven't had anyone else to rely on. And even this trip is hard for me, but the reward of seeing what the Lord does is just, I don't want to miss out on it, even though I struggle so much. And I'd be more comfortable at home watching TV. Being out here at this camp away from home for 5 days is so good for my soul. And so I just want to encourage you with the words that everybody struggles, and everybody is struggling, but the word of the Lord is higher than all things. And I've learned so much in the past couple days just from the speaking and the teachings, and something God has taught me is just He showed me that He's limitless. We can never know all the depths of God because it's limitless. We're always learning new things. So if you think you're good and you've got it all, and Jesus is your Lord and Savior, you're good, but no, God has so much more for you. He has called you to a life where you are free. And if you still have chains that you're in bondage to, He longs to break those chains. I have chains and I have unresolved issues that He has to break, and He will. You must ask in faith, because you've got to use your legs to run, He will do it for you, but you've got to use your legs to walk, and your brain, and He's not going to do it unless you are willing to submit and to do it with Him. So those are the words I wanted to encourage you with, and I hope you're having a great day and enjoy the beautiful scenery that I'm about to display.